Cancer Lagna and the third house falling in Virgo. Now, in Cancer Lagna people, the third house of efforts, desires, travels, siblings are governed by Virgo, which is a dual earthy sign and a young virgin lady as the symbol. Therefore, the natives of Cancer, see, basically Cancer themselves are very strong people because they are the fourth house from the Kalapurusha, and their efforts are dual and their focus is earth. So their focus or their wants are earth. That means firm and fixed. Their wants are firm and fixed. The efforts to achieve these wants will change or vary according to their circumstances. Cancer's third house being a dual earthy sign, Virgo is the sixth house from the Kalapurusha and is considered the sign of society. Therefore, a Cancer native's efforts are always towards the society as one thought process. His desires are fixed. His approach to the desires will take different tunes according to their circumstances in their lives. In this chart of a young man born on 1976, the third house is Virgo, aspected by the third lord Mercury, and Sun, who also is a lord of the second, is aspected by Saturn and aspected by Mars, right? Therefore, the third house Karatattvas are having a lot of support from the planets. Mars, planet of energy, is aspecting the house of energy. The planet of perseverance, Saturn, is aspecting the house of desire. The planet of intelligence and the lord of the third house is aspecting the third house along with the sun, the royal planet, and the second house is aspecting the third house. Therefore, this nativity will have a lot of energies, will persevere for whatever he wants. The intelligent quotient of the Mercury is given along with the sun's blessings. Therefore, the native is intelligent, hardworking, persevering, and energetic, which are all the parameters of the third house. As far as the sibling is concerned, maybe the native may not have an younger sibling because the Mars is a natural malefic and Saturn is a natural malefic. Aspecting the house of sibling is not positive. Sun, which is a natural malefic, is also aspecting Virgo, which is again a barren symbol. The Virgo sign is a barren sign. Therefore, when you have malefic influences in form of Mars, Saturn and Sun, Jiva, that is a sibling, is a Jiva. There may not be a sibling to this chart. Right? Now, as far as courage, bravery, want, desires will be in plenty because of the influence of 5 planets. Thirdly, the Mercury in the Navamsha has gained strength. The Mercury in the rashi is Nicha, but in the Navamsha it has gained strength by going to his friend's house. Secondly, it is in the second Amsha. Mercury placed in Leo in the Navamsha has gained strength because he is in his friend's house. Mercury is in the second Amsha from the Cancer Lagna of the Rashi chart. Therefore, the nativity interests, his efforts and desires will always be rooted to the family or family affairs. This is how we would look at a Cancer Lagna third house. Now, let us look at Leo Lagna third house. Thank you.